Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove screen lock pattern on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, scroll down and go to security and location. In security and location, okay, and device security section, you can see the screen lock. And okay guys, the screen lock is set into pattern. And now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the screen lock pattern on your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, to do that, you'll have to do is tap the screen lock. And okay guys, you can confirm your pattern. And okay guys, after you confirm your pattern, okay, now you can set the screen lock into none. Okay, select the none to remove the screen lock pattern. Okay, the pop-up are shown now. Remove device protection. Device protection features will not work without your pattern. And okay guys, tap the yes remove button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed the screen lock pattern on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.